All right, this is going to be a lesson on Black Magic Woman by Santana. It's got this little keyboard intro. And that goes a couple times, so that's 8, 10, 10 on the second string, back to the 8, 10. So you got, and then you switch to 7, 10 right there. So one more time. And then the guitar comes in with this little hammer-on pull-off. 6 and 8 on the B string. And the G string, we're sliding that 7 to 9 and back. Kind of do that again, a couple of those. And then, so that one was 8 on the B string. And kind of a quicker slide to the 7, 9 and back. Then we have this little descending lick. So that was 10, 8, and 6 to 5 slide, and then 8, 6, 5 to 3 slide. So that's a D minor 7 chord. You got 10, 12, and then all 10s underneath that. So you kind of wait till after the downbeat. And then you're going to hit the whole chord. Then we got this bend up here, starting the solo. So that started with the bend already up. Little pull off right there. So this one we have a 13 bend, little 10, pull off on the second string, 12, and then a bend on the 12, pull off here, and you're going to slide down to that 9 there. So we got. And then we're going to go 10, 13, and 10, 13. So over here we had 10, 13, 10, 13 again. And you can hit the 12, and you're going to double pull off this 13, 12, 10. And you pull off to that one. Kind of got a bend on that 12 after the little riff. And then we got this thing going up. So that was 10 and 13 on the B, and then 10, 12, 13, and slide into 15. And then we're going to have a bend on that 15. 13, 15, 13. And then we're going to do a big bend, 1.5 step bends on that 17th fret. And then we have this last riff. So that was. So we got little 10, bending the 12 and the G, pulling it, coming back up to that 10. We have the hammer-on pull-off here. 12, 10, 12, 10, and then 12, 11, 10, and 8. And then you hit the chord again. Okay, so the whole solo. Now our chords are going to be, you can do your D minor 7 here, or you can do it down here. So Black Magic Woman verse. A minor 7. Back to D minor 7. And then we got G minor 7. So he's got a little riff there where he hammers in on the 5th fret of the G string. And then hits the 6 on the second string, and then the 5 on the second string. And then back to the chord, the G minor chord. So we got Black Magic. And actually before the verse, it has this D minor 7, and it goes for a while. then the singing starts. So then we got the D minor again. Minor 7. Going to A minor 7. Back to D minor 7. G minor 7. A. Another stop, and then we do it again. All right, next time we'll get into the other solos. Talk to you soon.